How to trim audio on VLC Media Player. Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to trim your audio using VLC Media Player. VLC is not just a great video player but also has powerful editing features. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and click on Media in the top menu and select Open File to load the audio file you want to trim. Make sure it's supported format like MP3 or WAV. Next, we need to enable advanced controls, so go to the View menu and click on Advanced Controls. You'll see new buttons appear above the playback controls, including the record button. Now play your audio file. When you reach the point where you want to start trimming, click the record button and let the audio play until you reach the end point of the section you want to keep. Then click on the record button again to stop recording. VLC will save the trimmed audio automatically, so to find your trimmed audio file, go to your music folder or the default folder where VLC saves recordings. The file will be named based on the date and time you recorded it. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed audio using VLC Media Player. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Happy editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.